What is up, guys? It's Simon from PianoPig.com, and I'm sorry I haven't posted a video in a while. I've been really busy moving into this new space, and I'm finally set up and ready to go. So I'll be back to posting my normal weekly videos on Friday. In this video, I'm going to show you a really cool bluesy lick, which you can play all the way down the piano. And it sounds really cool, sounds really impressive, and if you put in the practice, especially kind of slow practice, it's actually not that hard to play. It's really versatile, and I think you're really going to enjoy it. If you do enjoy it and you find this video really useful and you want to see more, then definitely check out the PianoPig membership, where I've got loads of awesome videos and bonuses and backing tracks and all that cool stuff. You can check out all the details over at PianoPig.com. So let's do it! So this is what we're working towards. And what we're going to do is break this up into two main parts. This is the first part. And this is the second part. This is the main bit that actually repeats itself all the way down the piano. And we're actually going to learn that second part first, since that's the main run and the first part is just a kind of lead-in to the second part. So what have we got going on here? So all of that is actually repeating itself. If we just take one cycle of it, this is what we have. And that just repeats itself, starting from this C again. And again. So all we actually need to learn is this one block. So what am I playing here? Well, if you hadn't worked it out, this run is based in C minor, and it's predominantly using the C minor blues scale. So we start on the C, and we come down the blues scale, playing every note except this G, the fifth. And we keep coming down every note in the blues scale, until we get to the G down here instead. So we miss the G up here, and we keep playing down the C blues scale until we reach the G down here. And that's it. You just need to jump back up to this C and do it again. And here's a little tip to help make a big difference. You want to make sure you're really focusing on the articulation of the notes. If possible, you want to accent the notes C and F, and play all the other notes as quietly as possible. So I'm exaggerating here just to show you what I mean, but doing this is actually a great way to practice it. One more time. A little faster and not so exaggerated. And that is the main part of this video, guys. If that's enough for now, just pause the video and come back to the rest later, because that's all you really need in order to play a really awesome blues run down the entire piano. But if you want something a bit extra and a really cool way to start off this run, then keep watching. This is how the lead-in part sounds. and from here we just play the bit we've already learnt. So what's happening in that first part? Well, like before, it's very much based around the C minor blues scale. We start with a little run onto the 5, and then we actually come down to the major third. And then we just play down the blues scale from the minor third until we get to the minor third an octave below. And then we've got this little pattern. So all together. And again. And when we get to this C, this is the first note of the main part we learned earlier. So everything put together, nice and slow. You can put whatever you want on the end, but I'm just adding that little chromatic upwards motion thing for a bit of fun. And there you have it, an awesome blues run that you can use in so many different situations, and you can make it as long or as short as you need. So I hope you found this video useful. If you did, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time.